All right, what's up, y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and yes, it's time for me to take you on a grocery store adventure. Oh yeah, it's been a minute, but I've been at them stores and check out what I got. I was at the old Sam's Club, and when you get over in that meat department, you get lost. And I seen these. It said sausage variety pack, chicken sausage variety pack. I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of chicken sausage. But I've been getting some pretty good ones. I have some wasn't too great, but these are seem like they're going to be good. Cage free, chicken raised without antibiotics. See, it says it all right there. And look at those flavors. We got honey habanero and Monterey Jack cheese. In the middle, we got mozzarella roasted garlic with artichoke. And the other one is Gouda pear with savory spices. So I'm in the middle of a cook, just a nice little practice cook, a recipe I've been thinking of. So I'm gonna throw these on the top rack of the Legacy, let them get a little heat, let them heat up, let them heat through, and we're gonna be tasting them. Back in a minute. And I'm gonna throw these bad boys up on the top rack. So that's the honey habanero. And I'm only gonna do 2 of each. And then we got the red. This is the mozzarella right here. So you got the little red tab. This is the mozzarella roasted garlic with artichoke. So I'm gonna throw those right here. Those seem to be stuck together. And then the last one is the green tab, as you can see. And that's the pear, Gouda, and artichoke with savory spices. So we automatically know which one that is. And I'm gonna throw those right there. And I got some wood and some flavor enhancer from Kingford. In here, I got let me show you what I got on here. But we're gonna close that down because I'm tired of losing smoke. I got that in there, Kingsford, garlic, onion, and paprika, flavor booster for the chicken. And then I threw one of these Crown Royal premium whiskey barrel chunks in there. So I'm gonna actually get that. I'm just gonna throw these bad boys on here like this. And we're gonna babysit them for a minute because they fully cooked. So being that they fully cooked, we don't have to put too much on them. Now I do gotta remember that one of these bad boys got cheese in it, and I think it's this one, as you can see right there, that mozzarella. And we're just gonna do it like that. I'm gonna shut this and be back in a few minutes. When I'm coming back, we're gonna be eating. Back in a minute. Now let's start off with a recap on these sausages before we get a taste. This one, Gouda and pear with savory spices. This one, honey habanero. This is the honey habanero and Monterey Jack cheese. This one is the mozzarella roasted garlic with artichoke. Look at that. It's the one with I believe that's the one with the mozz. And this the one I'm interested in with the pear and the Gouda. See little bits of pear in there. So let's taste them. I got the pack here so I can know what I'm tasting. First up, the honey habanero with Monterey Jack cheese. You definitely taste the flavor of the habanero in there. It's pretty good. It's not overpowering hot. You taste the sweetness from the honey. And you definitely get that Jack cheese taste in there. It's not bad. We're going to cleanse the palate with the pear, Gouda, and savory spices. I'm sitting here reading it. Man, I'm telling you, chicken sausages, boy, they're starting to get my attention. And last but not least, mozzarella roasted garlic with artichoke. And they got a little piece of artichoke in there. Hey, this was cool. I appreciate y'all joining me on this little grocery store adventure. It's been a while since I did a solo video, but hey, I'm still at it, and I'll be back with some more stuff. So this is the Savory Grill chicken sausage variety pack that I picked up from Sam's Club, and I definitely recommend trying this if you just want to get something to throw together for a nice quick cook, quick party, quick get together, whatever you have you got to try these sausages. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, NotAllSmoke78, and NotAllSmoke on TikTok. Don't forget, my mouth is watering from these sausages. Don't forget, check out my new logo. Y'all be cool. One.